previous lectures, we explored the various mechanisms that contribute to global governance, including international law, courts, and sanctions. Today, we will focus on a unique and increasingly important approach: public-private partnerships. These are the dynamic duos, the power couples, the tag teams of global governance, bringing together the resources and expertise of governments, businesses, and civil society to tackle some of the world's biggest challenges. Public-private partnerships, what are they? PPPs are like the Avengers of global governance, but instead of superheroes, they are made up of governments, businesses, and NGOs. These unlikely allies team up to achieve goals that none of them could accomplish alone. Think of it like this: governments bring the policy, know-how, the regulatory framework, and the public funding. Businesses bring the innovation, the efficiency, and the capital. Civil society organizations bring the grassroots knowledge, the community connections, and the passion for social impact. When these three sectors join forces, they can create powerful solutions to complex problems. Why PPPs matter in global governance? PPPs are becoming increasingly important in global governance for several reasons. Resource constraints. Governments often lack the funds and expertise to address all the challenges they face. PPPs can bring in additional resources and know-how. Innovation. Businesses are often at the forefront of technological innovation. PPPs can leverage this expertise to develop new solutions to global problems. Efficiency. The private sector is often more efficient than the public sector in delivering goods and services. PPPs can harness this efficiency to improve outcomes. Legitimacy. PPPs can bring together diverse stakeholders, increasing the legitimacy and buy-in for global initiatives. Types of PPPs, a variety of flavors. PPPs come in all shapes and sizes depending on the specific goals and context. Infrastructure PPPs. These involve the private sector financing, building, and operating infrastructure projects like roads, bridges, airports, and hospitals. Development PPPs. These focus on poverty reduction, health, education, and other development goals. Environmental PPPs. These aim to protect the environment and promote sustainable development. Health PPPs. These work to improve healthcare access and outcomes, particularly in developing countries. Examples of successful PPPs. PPPs have been used to achieve some impressive results. The GAVI Alliance, a global health partnership that has helped to immunize millions of children against preventable diseases. The Global Fund to Fight AIDS, Tuberculosis, and Malaria, a partnership that has raised billions of dollars to fight these deadly diseases. The Sustainable Energy for All Initiative, a partnership that aims to provide universal access to modern energy services. Challenges and critiques of PPPs. PPPs are not without their challenges. Profit versus public good. Balancing the profit motive of businesses with the need to serve the public good can be tricky. Accountability. Who is ultimately responsible for the success or failure of a PPP? Transparency. PPPs can sometimes lack transparency, raising concerns about conflicts of interest and corruption. Conclusion. PPPs are a powerful tool in the global governance toolbox. They can bring together diverse actors, leverage resources and expertise, and drive innovation to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. But they are not a silver bullet. They require careful planning, strong governance, and a commitment to the public good.